Milwaukee Tool now has two full-size M18 FUEL random orbital polishers in 15mm and 21mm configurations. They're sufficient for both polishing and heavy correction applications. Both the 15 and 21mm random orbit polishers clearly focus on both power and ergonomics, two characteristics that are pretty critical for automotive detailers. Ergonomics really plays a huge role with these new tools since detailers can spend hours per day holding a polisher in their hands. And we've got to say both of these Milwaukee Orbitals look really well balanced, and they have a nicely designed front and rear grip. Milwaukee Tool also claims low vibration and noise. The backing plate on each tool is designed to stay cool, even with all-day heavy-duty use. And this is going to help minimize the risk of surface or paint damage due to heat buildup. Milwaukee also turned the battery 90 degrees, giving the tools 2 inches of clearance between it and the work surface. And that's going to help keep you from inadvertently bumping the battery into the vehicle while you polish. It's great when you can ditch the cord, but no one wants to substitute one problem for another. Both polishers were designed with a variable speed trigger plus an 8-position speed dial. Between that and the lock-on button, you get a ton of control when using these polishers in a variety of applications, from removing scratches to finishing work. When paired with a high-output XC 6.0 M18 red lithium battery, Milwaukee's saying you can expect to get up to 53 minutes of polishing or as much as 20 minutes of heavier use when removing scratches. While you can get longer runtime with a larger battery, pairing these tools with an XC 6.0 delivers better balance and material clearance than if you used a larger pack. Look for the new Milwaukee M18 FUEL random orbit polishers to hit shelves in April of 2022. The 5-inch model retails for $529 as a kit, while the 6-inch polisher comes in around $559. If you have any questions about the M18 polishers, please leave those in the comments section below. If you want to know more, there's a link to the article in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching.